backtesting feature, you would be able to test any VTL plugin or script in a demo environment chart data that will give you important information about the scripts you are running. Simply choose any downloaded and installed script from the VStore automatically, choose a period for the script to work on, and then choose the symbol and the number of candles for the script to work after. Click Start, then sit back, relax, and watch your script runs before you.